Today we're going to discuss using GoodReader to sign contracts. What you need to do first of all is decide how you're going to get the contract in a PDF form into GoodReader. In this case we'll use the email version. You can also use Dropbox and other methods. So we select the email with the contract in it. We go down to the contract, which is a PDF attachment. We select it. Now we've got to select GoodReader as the annotation system we're going to use. So we push our stylus or our finger gently on the screen, and on the right hand corner you'll see the arrow, and you see you can choose Open in GoodReader, or there's other choices you can pick as well. We're going to select Open with GoodReader, so we're going to push on that, and there we go. Alright, so GoodReader opens up. There's our contract, and you wait just a second, these menu options will go away. And this is a multi-page contract with lots of things to be filled in. We're just going to fill in by hand in this particular demonstration. So what we need to do is hit the main menu button. You see we hit main menu, and then we hit the little squirrely. There's one on the bottom, there's one on the top. It's kind of a S-shaped curlicue, and we hit that, and that will give us a little box which we can use to insert the text. So here we go. Hit the little curlicue. Alright. Now it asks us whether we want to save this to the file or to create an annotated document. We're going to save it to the file because we do not want multiple copies. Now you see this little corner box that I'm bringing down? I bring this down with my finger to the place where I want to insert the actual text, and you'll see down at the bottom of the screen there's a big writing area where we can write in the name of the hunt club, which in this case is the Sky Hunt Club. So we write in Sky, and I'm adjusting the diameter of the pen here. Alright, the SKY. Now I move the dialog box with my finger, just pushing my finger on the screen. I move it down to the date area, where I can once again use my finger or stylus to write in the actual date. In this particular case, June of 2012. Then I move it over to the ending date, and just write whatever the ending date is. Now I'm going to show you you can simply do this and repeat this every time you need to fill in some part of the contract. Alright, so now we're going to move down to the payment section of the contract. And there's the payment amount, and we insert the payment amount in, either using our stylus or finger. And the same thing for the date, the due date. And now I'm going to just go down to the bottom of the document to the signatory area. And simply push the menu button again to pick the handwriting curlicue, move the box down to where we're going to sign it, and I will sign it High Tech Lawyer. Then move the box with your finger over to the date. Put in the date. Now if you had the other party there, you could have them sign as well, and you could finalize this document right now. But I'm assuming this needs to be sent to somebody to finalize it. So I'm going to have to send it by email or Dropbox or some method. I'm going to use email. So I hit main menu. See the little arrow down the bottom right hand corner? Push that, and now there's a number of choices. We're going to want to send it by email, and then you get the opportunity to send a flattened copy or a regular copy. You want to send a flattened copy because that bakes the signatures into the document and keeps them from being able to be changed. Now you simply send the email to the party who's supposed to receive execute the document. Obviously, if you had finally executed it, it would be the final document. So we send the document by email. And now once we send it, we will get out of all of this and go to the email address where it's being sent and wait for the document to arrive there. So we go to email. That's the document. There we go. We go back to all inboxes. It was sent to High Tech Lawyer. There comes the document. Go down and hit the tab. You see that the document comes down with the appropriate stuff filled in. Now this could be signed and resent to someone, or if it was signed by both parties, it would be finalized. So that's how you execute a document with GoodReader. There are also text functions where you can use the typewriter function to type information in there as well. You can also use the stamp function to stamp regular signatures, but those are for another class. Thank you.